Hey guys, my name is Emo and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight by Technology is done right. So in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to install the drop shadow effect and many more, okay, on paint.net. So in a previous tutorial I've taught you on how to install paint.net. The link will be in the above card right now. So yeah, let's get on to installing the effects. So you're going to go into your browser and you're going to paste the link which is in the description below, okay, and you can see this link forums.get.paint.net will be in the description below. Okay, so now scroll down and you can see it says the download for the installer version and the zipped DLL version. Okay, so you're going to download the installer, so just click on the blue thing and just click on download right here and it should download the file. So when you open this and click on the install.exe, double click on it and it should open this, and you're going to click on download and install this feature. Since mine doesn't have .NET framework, it's going to download and install that first before installing the effects itself. Okay guys, so you can see the .NET framework has already installed. Okay, so you can double click on it again and it will bring up this. Okay, if it didn't bring up the .NET installer framework, you don't have to worry. That was brought up here since my PC does not have it installed. If it doesn't show in your PC, that means you have .NET framework installed already. Okay, so you're going to check everything and click on install and click on close. Okay, so now paint.net has started, and if I go into the effects, you can see I have object and object align. So everything with this jigsaw puzzle kind of symbol right here is the effects that you have installed. Okay, so you can see you have average blur, smart blur, you have center boat, you have drop shadow, and yeah, basically that's about it guys. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. And I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe. And I'm out.